Hello. For this problem, you want to use the hypothesis testing for a mean. And it says, a statistics student believes that the mean score on his first stats test 65. The instructor thinks that the mean score is higher. She samples 10 statistics students and obtains these values. Using a 5% significance level, state the alternative hypothesis. Well, she thinks the score is higher, so it's greater than. To find the mean, I typed the data here, the grades, and then I'm going to put it right here where it says sample mean. Put equals and type average. Notice the second one says average. Double click it, highlight your numbers, and it will give you the average, which is 71.57. Now to find the standard error, standard deviation, put your equals, ST for standard. It's a sample, so you use the S. The top one's proportion. So we use this one, we highlight our data, and we hit enter. There's our standard deviation. Our sample size was 65, and the population mean the population mean was the 65. Sample size is how many there were, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The sample mean comes from your hypothesis, so it's 65. And alpha, we wanted 5%, 0.05 written as a decimal. Your standard error, I believe it's over here. Oh, test statistic. Here's our test statistic, 2.11. The p-value, this is a right tail, so we use this one here, the 0.031862. And the standard error of the sample means is the standard deviation. So it would be equals the standard deviation, and that I just clicked on it to get this value, divided by the square root of how many there are, which was 10. And that's how you get that one. So for the standard error of the sample means, that's when you divide by the square root of n. So it's the standard deviation, which is in D4, divided by the square root of n, which is 10.